From Wolf Gourmet, the way you cook is about to be revolutionized. Introducing the multi-function cooker. The intelligent design of the Wolf Gourmet multi-function cooker allows you to cook sous vide, the French technique of cooking sealed food in a water oven to a specific temperature, giving you precise results. Fish, steak, eggs, and even desserts can be cooked gently and evenly throughout. The temperature probe is used to control the temperature of the water. Once the water reaches the chosen temperature, add your sealed food. Press timer and the display will count up to let you know how long the dish has been cooking. The temperature of the water will stay the same and your food will never overcook. That means even if your guests are running late, their meal will still be cooked to perfection. The sous vide setting can even accommodate larger roasts for up to 72 hours. And with the versatile stainless steel vessel, you can sauté or sear your dish before or after cooking sous vide to achieve that perfectly caramelized crust. With the Wolf Gourmet multi-function cooker, you can create a culinary masterpiece with confidence. More precise control means more delicious meals every time.